Clip number 5. This is Jay Carney talking with Major Garrett of CNN. We've talked about this before. Kathleen Sebelius was very explicit. Our goal, get 7 million people enrolled by March 31. So Major Garrett says to Jay Carney, the president's spokesman, how are we doing on the way to that goal that your administration has set of 7 million? Let's listen.
Why is the administration backing away from the $7 million per person enrollment figure that Kathleen Sebelius, Marilyn Tavenner, and various other incarnations said was a goal, and a legitimate goal, and a reachable goal?
I think success looks like at least 7 million people having signed up by the end of March 2014.
We're not backing away from a number that we didn't put out originally. I think that others noted that 7 million is a fine target, but that will not determine whether the marketplaces function effectively. It's not some magic number, 6,999,999, and the system collapses one more than that and it functions perfectly. Some estimates have been as low as 2 million.
So Jay Carney, they're trying to get us far away from that, and that's the lie of the year. That's the 2014 lie of the year. We never said 7 million was a magic number, and you heard Kathleen Sebelius say it herself. Our target is 7 million people. Got to have it for this thing to function. Drop back to clip number 3. This is Rand Paul. I talked about this yesterday, but I wanted you to hear it from his own lips. Rand Paul is trying to get his family signed up for Obamacare. He's trying to be a good soldier, trying to be a good congressman, trying to get health care without getting the breaks and the subsidies that Congress gets under this boondoggle deal. And he describes his experience talking to George Stephanopoulos about trying to get him and his family signed up for Obamacare.
Let me turn to health care. Your opposition to Obamacare has been no secret, but I understand now that the issue has also become personal for you. Is it true that you've actually had trouble signing up for Obamacare and that you're not even sure your family is covered?
At this point, I'm unsure, and the other day I actually tried to get my son signed up to the Kentucky Exchange, you know, that the Democrats have said is so good, and I have here my son's Medicaid card. We didn't try to get him Medicaid. I'm trying to pay for his insurance, but they automatically enrolled him in Medicaid. For a month, they wouldn't talk to us because they said they weren't sure he existed. He had to go down to the welfare office, prove his existence. Then the next thing we know, we get a Medicaid card. So really, most of the people in Kentucky are automatically being enrolled in Medicaid. I'm trying to pay for insurance and can't pay for it, and I'm uncertain now whether I'm enrolled in D.C. and or Kentucky, and it's a mess. I keep getting an error code every time I go in. It will not let me edit my policy to try to make sure that my family is covered. So, no, I think it's really, this is an unfolding disaster that I don't think gets better anytime soon.
It's an unfolding disaster. And Jeff, I'm going to have to change the title on the last segment, so don't book that till I get that updated. But you know, it's what the left loves to do is beat up on Walmart. And I'm going to talk more about this unemployment business tomorrow. We had 6 Republicans went off reservation, voted to extend unemployment benefits. It's very bad. It's bad for the people that you're trying to help because it hurts the economy. It lowers employment. It reduces the number of jobs. It reduces wages. It's a terrible bad. So someone sounds good. Yeah, let's give more money to the unemployed. It hurts them. It hurts the people that are looking for jobs because it makes jobs more scarce. We'll talk about that tomorrow. I intend to talk about it today. We'll do it tomorrow. But a couple of things here in the last segment that are a part of this disaster that is Obamacare. Number one is the left demonizes Walmart. They love to beat up on Walmart. Now, Walmart is the most effective anti-poverty agency in the country. Why? Because they employ 2 million people. You want to talk about somebody that's fighting poverty, that's Walmart, because they're providing jobs for people, wages for people, so they can feed their families. So the most effective anti-poverty agency in the country, in the world, as a matter of fact, is Walmart. They should not be demonized. They should be lionized. They should be praised to the skies. Now, here's something else. Did you know, this is hilarious, WashingtonExaminer.com, new Obamacare health insurance enrollees may feel a pang of envy when they eye the coverage plans offered by Walmart to its employees. For many years, the giant discount retailer has been the target of unions and liberal activists who have harshly criticized the company's health care plans, calling them, quote, notorious for failing to provide health benefits and substandard. So this is one of those junk plans being offered by these junk health insurance companies that President Obama was demonizing. But a Washington Examiner comparison of the two health insurance programs found that Walmart's plan, listen to this, Walmart's plan is more affordable and provides significantly better access to high-quality medical care than Obamacare. Independent insurance agents affiliated with the National Association of Health Underwriters and health policy experts compared the two at the request of the Examiner. Walmart offers two standard plans for a monthly premium as low as $40. An individual who is a Walmart HRA plan enrollee can obtain full service coverage through a Blue Cross Blue Shield preferred provider organization. Family gets coverage for $160 a month. If you go to Obamacare, the American Medical Association found that an unsubsidized premium for a non-smoking couple age 60 costs $1,365 a month. Walmart could get the same thing for $134 a month, 10 times the cost. So once again, Walmart beating the pants off of Obamacare. Focal Point, AFR Talk, that's it for today. Do not forget, we are fighting a winnable war. See you tomorrow.
The views and opinions expressed in this broadcast do not necessarily reflect those of the American Family Association or American Family Radio.